Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a song as ringtone or how to set a custom song on your Android phone. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up your phone settings. Then you have to scroll down and you have to tap on this sounds and vibrations. Tap on it and in here, click on this ringtone. Now what you have to do is you can select your ringtones from here as well. There are a lot of ringtones, but if you want a custom ringtone or any song, what you can do is you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you can tap on this add ringtone, and as you can see you can upload your files from here. So you can tap on these three bars, tap on this audio, and then you can choose any audio whatever you want, and as you can see, and after selecting your audio will be here, and then as you can see here it is. If I tap on it, my custom ringtone is selected. You can see this is my custom ringtone. So that's how you can select any song or anything as your ringtone on your Android. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to set a song or custom ringtone on your Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.